going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. So first of all, ensure you have YouTube installed, which I do have here. Then go to settings, search for YouTube, click on the app. Then ensure that you have picture-in-picture activated. Make sure this is toggled on. Then go back, the one on top, click appear on top. Allow permission. This allows YouTube to display over other apps. So now with these two selected, go back to YouTube, click on your profile below, click on the gear icon, then click on general. Now normally you'll be able to see the option here to activate picture-in-picture mode, but unfortunately I don't have the premium YouTube Premium. So if you have the YouTube Premium, it should appear here, and when you activate it, it's good to go. But if you don't have the YouTube Premium, one workaround you can use is, depending on your device, this step might vary, but it's still the same concept. Get the get Go to the page that shows all your open apps. In my Samsung, is to swipe from bottom and hold, and then you can see all the apps that you have open. So click on the icon here, then open the split screen view. So with this now, you can watch the videos you want to watch while doing other things. And you can select and do the things you want to do. And you can watch other videos you wish to watch here. Thanks for watching.